Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again now the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things that's good, innocent and clean. See, welcome our viewers and subscribers. See, and subscribers, viewers, you don't know if you like the content. Subscribe, man, and build the thing. See, subscribers that don't know, I give thanks and much appreciation and things like that. I have a whole heap of things coming for the 10,000, but I find myself in a little thing where I have to start out, so I have to do road and get certain things prep up again, but you don't know, I not live here, I do, you don't see it, yeah. See? So, big up yourself, subscribers. See? Big up yourself, everyone shining on my family. Enough love. See? All of the Wolverhampton family there. You don't know, you don't know the things set our family. See? I see a letter I go round from Adija where them say Vybz Kartel write to Muta Baruka. You know, see? And I say him intend for, turn over his life to Christ and get baptized and things like that. You know, see, one thing I have to say start. You know, see, my bed, you know, see, and the only reason why my bed is that, and a Rasta, charm, or educate Vybz Kartel. Because me and Vybz Kartel, I could have kept a Rasta, me I say, the general I say, when you're ready for say what I say. You know, see, because you don't know. Selassie, you're my father. You know, see, but you don't know, one of them things. And in enough other instances again, me make reference to His Majesty. So, the first time when I see the letter, I never confused, but I never believe in it. But I see something again, like a star headline, where I make mention to it again. But what stunned me the most is that I don't hear nobody make mention about it from the first time when it published and things like that. You see, so I said that kind of weird, So even me I tell myself, say this look like it's not real or somebody, you see, but whether real or fake is a positive, you see, and I have to make mention, you see, and I feel nice if you know say I'm naughty and a Rasta. You see it, for real, because you don't know. You see it, I know. You see it, but if for the Christian way, I always like I say the next best thing. Regardless of where a man I say, I don't want nobody feel disrespected or whatever. Nobody don't look down on for them thing and make it look like that's second best. You see it, but given the gravity and the nature, everything will go on out there to the Rasta. I better a man do something positive with him life than just out there. A lurching in the wilderness. You see, because again, it's easier for grasp to the fullness. For man in church and abide by certain rules and regulations that the Bible suggests. I wish God had come on earth and send him go hell. Him try Rasta. And there's a valiant effort that the church effort in the earth here today. If a man true with what he do. You see? Long as nobody with the carry down bread a bit. And you know what? You see the corruption we are going in our earth here today. The church man observe them things and identify them, which we know Kartel should be able to. And will be able to subvert in a whole lot of way, not forget involved in a certain thing. He don't have any money, see. But I make all him own a church too. I wouldn't see why Vybz Kartel I go sit down in front and say praise the Lord. he might go have the crowd in front of him all the way, brother. You see it? So we don't have any pastor baptize him and try hard and him deacon same time drive over there. That they influence the ram any church. You know see it? A convention that every Saturday in a Rasta or every Sunday or whenever the church they keep, you know. Yo, all me would have go. Go see the spectacle Rasta. If you look man to girl and say me can, well no, shit, me no mean that you know what me I say. See? Babes, yeah. Yeah, you don't know, man. Yeah, but all me would have gonna go observe what go on Rasta. That's supposed to be something remarkable. Something to see, something worth watching, you see. But again, as a positive, you see, and like I say, I'm definitely certain Kartel, no man can go to him of such an ask, gun and a gunshot and them things, then I get him involved in certain things. You know, if I step the way there, you move certain way, you exempt. No gunman now come, a man will come check for some food for him belly, some grocery and all them things there. You see, but you know, go have the man come try to push your, extort any form of monetary values from you if you go buy gun and gunshot and them things there. Jamaican gunman them still have this high level of appreciation for Christianity to a degree. You know what I say with them not try to associate certain people with it so far. We give thanks, we're not good same way and we give thanks. I mean we're not bored. See basically seeing Brother Nervy. Yes I. See, so yeah, we know. You see anything right now, any farmer step where we see, a step away from what we say I go on the street and I want any influence, see, where I desensitize the youth them towards the consequences of them sins there and the repercussion. See, we give thanks, same way Rasta. See, we give thanks to the youth them we go join the police force too, with good intention. We give thanks to one, then we go join the JDF too, with good intention, Rasta. See it? Yes, I. See it? That's how the thing go. A Rasta soldier, then you have Rasta soldier too, you have Rasta police too, you have hot step of police too, we not go into that kind of stuff. You see it? But yeah, you see it? Yeah, we give thanks and a more strength and a more power and more blessing to Vybz Kartel. It's another big move, another big positive move again. See, with all is said and done, you don't know, we all have a little befoulment, them our crosses and we little things them way set way off track. We hold away throughout life. See, so far you, God has been good to you. See, you give thanks and you have your reason and your purpose. You were that way persuaded. A lot of us was that way persuaded in the beginning, which led us to where we are today. Not for we come from out of the Christianity where our parents used to beat we and carry our church, and that's how we get to know the significance of a higher power. You see it, and we start to observe it from there, so brother. See it, so you never know. One of them days, we hear some naughty down there, so wait a what Kartel did there. Him should have been a Rasta from him birth and them things there. See, because we know the power still, and we still respect it and I look towards it for high level of contribution positively. See it, and if I ask it, I go, yo, yes, Rasta. We give thanks. See, no business that nobody wants to say. I kind of feel disappointed how you're not Rasta. I'm not disappointed in you, but more disappointed in our community as a group. See, because now I see a fish, I see a feel out and try. Seek certain reasoning from some man. I'm say, to me in my knowledge, I see them shun you. I'm not telling a lie. Some man we should have take the opportunity to say, hey, the youth, reach out to me. Yo, the youth, yeah. But we see some man, like me I say, we have this tendency, where one time we feel threatened by we adversity's ability rather than have respect for it. See, and in so doing, we create enemies and we create our own downfall in a lot of cases because You know, do me say even our enemy, so when it come on to a friend them now, a lot of man see better ability and, you know, sideline because them see them position being threatened somewhat. You see it, so, you know, nothing you get stifled and don't even get to come on the surface to come further benefit the community because some man knows say, and him come through the gate and eat that. It done for him. You see it, for him style, done. But personally, from the day me see, you know, Vybz Kartel reach out to certain man and see the attitude and the actions. Yeah. I never observe it. I know what I talk about and nobody can ask me how. You see, yeah. See, but yeah, the man show a certain level of reverence to Rastafari. Same way, right through him growth and him development. I never really see no man. Sizzler, me hear always me hear about Sizzler. And Spragga Benz. But again, Spragga Benz never really get Phenom edge to that level because I'm there behind the black. You see it. So, you see it. Sizzler at one point did have some level of interaction still. Probably still not enough. Because Sizzler is busy them time. They have just Vybz Kartel busy because two of them do them things. Sizzler that go on too. You see it. So, you see it. Still kind of know say a whole heap of man there have substance. We could have did impart certain knowledge or seek to cultivate upon the influence where they already rather than use the same level of ego to challenge Vybz Kartel ego as if Rasta no know the wages of ego. You see, but me give thanks still for the pastor or for the atmosphere we convince him to come to such a calm, collective decision at this point in time. You see, and I man hope for all the best. You see, and hope it all work out. Just I man I wonder, me I go miss them. You know, them tune they now go can't sing again. You see it, and me you don't know. Me don't feel like me I go find myself a rock to. Me don't know. Me know say overall, a lot more there still could have generated out of that. Right now it feel like so well in a damping. It's a damp gone pan of hot fire still. Yeah, when Vybz Kartel, you see, committed like that, it feel like, say, a big part. Cause you don't know, no disrespect. You see, cause, yeah. But, yeah, everything, you see, I mean, I say to each his own, it's not that case. I am just like a fan of music where I see the thing I move to another level where as I value the artist or the performer to a certain degree, I kind of see it as a loss. You see, to the genre then. I could put it away. Because obviously, I sing Christian tune and I too in tune to them there. Go find myself a dance up to them there. In a position where I hear them or play them. You see it, you see it. But we might anyway, because a Vybz Kartel that. And we know the versatility and the creativity. See a way. You see, I might find myself a sing some too. Yeah. We might find yourself a sing some to Rasta. You see it. So, yeah, from I, genuinely, I give thanks. And I only appreciate love. And you see it. And I hope everybody observe the reverence and have respect for the general decision. You see it. And don't go on like so well then. The man is not an accomplished individual in his field, in his art, you see, and should be able to, make such a decision if he choose to do so at this point in time in his career, because he has given, I'm not saying he has given his all, see, but he has given way more than expected. and way more than average. Seeing? So, you see, yeah, and it will benefit Shorty too, because she have her man, and she deserve to know, say, the rest of her life secure like that, her husband secure like that. You see, it's a sense of peace of mind, both for she, the community, and for the children, them too, and she deserve that because she has been an extraordinary partner. You see, so yes, because Christian people usually, love up and hug up them wife and treat them with a lot of more understanding and tenderness too. You see. So there's a lot of positives. You see, the only negative is I personal disappointment, which is in account, no matter. You see, that is if all of this is true. You see, because I got a day and moon for something when I go so. You see, because although I don't want to push in Rasta as a detractor, I go on like it's a competition thing. You see what I say? Because righteousness is just righteousness, And for righteousness, you practice righteousness and you just do right for you do. See, and I look for it, like I say, all hands on deck. Right? Yes, So even though it's not a case like say it's a competition between the church and I. See. Church people know themselves and Rasta people know themselves. See. You have church people all way think them a Rasta and soon find them way back in them church. See, yeah, Rasta people in the church will soon find them way. See, but it's a case where, see, still we love Bill, soldier. See, more time, it's nice to find some potential, see. Hopefully, even though that no means say you can create a Rasta out of anything or anybody. No man can do that. See, but more time you see some potential. You see it and you just start. You see what I say? Yeah. Motion them in the right direction and type of thing like that. You see it? So, at this now it kind of feel like so well then, Yeah. The church win in that case, yeah. You see, but we still admire the move and the effort towards, me I say, yeah, more positivity, see. Yeah, in regards to the youth them and in regards to what go on down there these days. See it. Yeah, we know it's a couple more life. I look upon it from a different perspective, You see, yeah. And we give thanks same way, because we have to give, like I say, all hands on board. See, and from the help come, see, we are accept it from positivity same way, because, see, yeah, we have to be tolerant towards each other's faith and views and aspirations. See, all our black, and we are trying to create some more awareness towards our blackness amongst one another, and we want to educate the youth them some more and give them more values in regards to themselves, them past, them ancestors, and them future. See, so that them can tread with some more self-confidence in themselves and self-belief, and not really care much where other people claim or assume. See, just get on with it and be positive and stay focused. See, everything will fall into place. Even the views of the naysayers will fall into place after time, because see, it's just human nature. See, people create a stereotype and set up a certain narrative, boy. You keep repeating, and to certain unfortunate situation and things like that, situation keep playing for them favor, we support the stereotype and the narrative. Well, if we have more positive element and role models amongst us in our society, a lot of these things wouldn't really be so strong and prominent among us. You see? Yeah. So, yes, it's not ridiculous. It's more remarkable, yes, but it's not a case where I can't even look upon it with any separatism. You see? Because I know from my point of view the gravity or the depravity of I situation as a people amongst one another, and like nobody else did that we are war against. So that's one another same way, you know, see it? Yeah, man. So, you know, see it? We just want to know, say, I hope you them not to sing none of them tune around the house, you know. And one of them want to violate the thing. From now on, yeah, that little Adija and little Vybz, you know, so now we're going to build a studio somewhere. Because all the general whole yard, you know, supposed to be consecrated, you know, and them sort of thing there. You see it? So, yeah, them have to do them thing on road. You see it? We don't want to share no lyrics with the man neither. No slack lyrics about no girl. I do yo, we have to keep them thing that to us. You know, see it, it's not a laughing matter, you know. Yeah, the general expects some advice on the operation, the overall operation of the empire. You see it, but nobody come here so with the lyrics thing here, so better make sure they don't have that pan lock, you know, because man can't advise this. You don't know the general, take a one laugh. I saw the thing said, but we give thanks Rasta, because you that, you know, you that, you see it. And I see enough man, I love me say, like me I say, I don't hear nobody have to say nothing on the subject, so even right now, and I still wary of the whole thing, the whole story, you see it, but it would be kind of defeating for no say, well then, nobody not really, you know, give credence and credit to the move, you know, see, because I saw that them way there and I look for confirmation and them way there too, and I see. I never see none of here none. I know even before I publish this, I'm gonna look and make sure so there's confirmation to the story, because you know, see it, yeah. But we give thanks same way, you know, see it. And you see, even if it not goes so, no few might have heard the rumor and I stop and I think at the moment, and while them pause for really confirm what go on, you know, there is always a lull within the climate and the atmosphere where go on all there. You know, see, and basically at that we are offer. You know, see, and every influence, every strength from every angle, we welcome it positively. You know, see, yes, So continue the way you are the youth, and you know, we give thanks same way, because regardless of what go on, you know, it's a calmer spirit, you know, see it, and it's more beneficial to society, to the youths them as is this day, not even society, but to the youths them, you know, see it, yeah, yes, Rasta. So, you know, you see, you don't know, I just give thanks, Rasta. So, you see it, a Rasta, I don't know, yes, still, you know, but you have to just take it as we get it and just know, say, yeah, I saw. I don't know how we know here.